Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Microsoft Word is a word processing application that allows you to create a variety of documents, including letters, resumes, flyers, and more. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate the Word interface and become familiar with some of its most important features, such as the ribbon, the quick access toolbar, and the Backstage View. Now let's look at how to start a Word program. Go to your search bar and type Word. Then click on the Word app to open. Now, when you open Word for the first time, just like I did, the start screen will appear. From here, you'll be able to create a new document from a blank document, choose a template, and access your recently edited documents. So I will select blank document to access the Word interface. Now this is the Word interface. We have the tabs at the top, the quick access toolbar over here, we have the ribbon, we have the document area, we have the status bar, we have the view buttons and the zoom controls. Now, the ribbon contains multiple tabs. Now, the ribbon is this one at the top over here. It contains multiple tabs which you can find near the top of the Word window. Each tab contains several groups of related commands, just like that. For example, the font group, this one under Home tab, contains command for formatting text in your document. Some groups also have a small arrow in the bottom right corner that you can click for even more options, just like this one. And then you get extra options or more options to choose from. Even this one has an arrow and you get extra options. Now let's look at showing and hiding the ribbon. Now, if you find the ribbon takes up too much screen space, you can hide it. To do this, click the ribbon display options arrow in the upper right corner over here of the ribbon. Then you'll have these three options. Now you can choose the desired option. The first one, we have the auto hide ribbon. Click on that. Auto hide displays your document in full screen mode and completely hides the ribbon from view. To show the ribbon, click the expand ribbon command at the top of the screen. Just like that. Now we have show tabs. Show tabs, this option hides all command groups when they are not in use, but tabs will remain open, they will remain visible. To show the ribbon, simply click on any tab. So if you click on any tab, the ribbon will come back on. Then the third command, we have show tabs and commands. This option maximizes the ribbon. All of the tabs and commands will be visible. This option is selected by default when you open Word for the first time, just like I have over here. Now, if you're having trouble to find a command you want, we have the Tell Me feature over here, which can help. It works just like a regular search bar. Type what you're looking for and a list of options will appear. So if I type, let's say bold, I'm looking for bold command, it will come directly over here. And I can use the command directly from the menu without having to find it on the ribbon. So if I click on it, then I start typing, automatically my words will be in bold, just like that. Then at the top over here, we have the quick access toolbar. Now the quick access toolbar lets you access common commands no matter which tab is selected. By default, it shows the save, the undo and redo command, but you can add more commands if you want to. To do this, click on this drop down arrow, then choose the command that you want to add. Let's say I want to add the quick print command. And by doing so, I've added that command over here, just by doing that. Then Word has two rulers, one on the left of your document and one at the top. This makes it easier to adjust your document with precision. If you want, you can hide the ruler to create more screen space. To do this, click the View tab, then check or uncheck this checkbox that's next to ruler. So if I uncheck that, the rulers will be hidden. If I check it, the rulers will appear. Now we have something called the Backstage View. The Backstage View gives you various options for saving, opening a file, printing, and sharing a document. To access the Backstage View, click the File tab on the ribbon over here, and then this is the Backstage View, and these are some of the options that are over here. We have ones that will help you open recent documents, save, print, share, export, and also close a current document. Then we have the view buttons and zoom controls down here. So Word has a variety of viewing options that change how your document is displayed. You can choose to view your document in read mode, print layout, or web layout. Now, read mode, if I click on that, this view opens the document in full screen. This view is great for reading large amounts of text or simply reviewing your work. Then we have print layouts. This is the default document view in Word. It shows what the document will look like on the printed page. Then we also have the web layouts. That one. This view displays the document as a web page, which can be helpful if you're using Word to publish content online. So let's go to the default layout. That's the print layout. Then we have the zoom controls over here. To zoom in or out, click and drag the zoom control slider, this one, in the bottom right corner of the Word window. So if I slide it to the right, I'm zooming in. If I slide it to the left, I'm zooming out. You can also select the plus and minus commands over here, these two, to zoom in or out in smaller increments, just like that. And the number next to the slider, this one, that mine is at 90%, displays the current zoom percentage.